Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Porsche Cayenne with a dead battery. First, locate the mechanical key hidden within your key fob. This small, often overlooked key is essential for manual entry. Once found, insert it into the driver's side door lock cylinder. Give it a firm turn clockwise to manually unlock the door. This action bypasses the electronic system, granting you access to the vehicle's interior. It's the crucial first step when facing a completely dead battery. With the door now open, you can access the interior. Your next step is to open the hood using the release lever, typically found near the driver's footwell. Once the hood is up, locate the positive jump start terminal. This is usually a red cap or marked post. Then, find a suitable negative ground point, often a sturdy metal bolt or unpainted part of the chassis, away from moving engine components. Now, it's time to apply external power. Connect the positive jumper cable from a 12-volt power source, like a portable jump starter or another vehicle's battery, to your Cayenne's positive terminal. Then, attach the negative jumper cable to the designated ground point you located. This temporary connection will provide just enough power to reactivate the central locking system and other essential electronics, allowing you to proceed. Once connected, the central locking system will activate, allowing you to open the trunk or even attempt to start the engine. Remember, this temporary power is just to get you access and potentially start the car. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description. Also, explore other great deals there. You'll want to address the dead battery issue promptly, perhaps by jump-starting the car properly or replacing the battery entirely for reliable future use. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.